Woodworking versus hydroponic farming. The battle for ultimate hobby satisfaction. If you've ever found yourself at a crossroads, deciding between delving into woodworking or exploring hydroponic farming, you're not alone. Both hobbies have their unique allure, offering more than just a pastime. Woodworking, the art of transforming raw wood into beautiful, functional pieces, has a rustic charm. There's something incredibly satisfying about working with your hands, feeling the grain, and witnessing your vision come to life. On the flip side, hydroponic farming invites you into the world of advanced gardening. It's a soil-less method of growing plants, offering a clean and efficient way to produce your own food, even in limited spaces. Both hobbies have their learning curves. Woodworking requires mastery over tools and techniques, while hydroponic farming demands understanding of nutrients and plant needs. Yet, both promise immense satisfaction once these skills are honed. Consider the tangible rewards. A woodworking bench might see the creation of heirloom furniture, whereas a hydroponic farm could yield fresh, homegrown vegetables throughout the year. The outcomes differ, but the pride is similar. Then, there's the environmental aspect. Hydroponic farming uses less water and space, making it an eco-friendly option. Meanwhile, sustainable woodworking can help reduce waste by repurposing old wood into something new and beautiful. The community aspect cannot be overlooked. Both hobbies have vibrant, supportive communities. Whether sharing tips online or showcasing your projects at local fairs, the sense of belonging and mutual support is wonderful and undeniable. Ultimately, the satisfaction derived from either hobby will be deeply personal. It's about the journey, the learning, and the joy found in each small achievement. Whether it's a wooden bench or a lush green farm, the choice is yours. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and click the link in description below to discover a world of awesome projects. Your next masterpiece awaits.